This is a bright drag chain. Now I will show you how to disassemble. It's very simple, all you need is a screwdriver. This is the beam. Just push it down hard. This is a yellow buckle for fixing. We added grooves to the original fastener. This design increases its stability. This is our patent, fiber optic external buckle. It's the same construction as the fastener. There are two models, 21.5 and 28.5. It's also easy to disassemble. There are 4 color fasteners for you to choose from: yellow, red, blue and black.